Hello, traders. We just finished our live trading session. Today was pretty crazy. We found some plans, some opportunities on the market, but unfortunately, we couldn't use any of them. We were this close to open position, but it is what it is. I want to show you our plans. I want to share with you our plans, what we made during live trading sessions. These plans are still valid, some of them. So maybe we're going to use it today or tomorrow. So I don't worry about that, because if we're going to get to the specific level, we can set order and we can make some profits. Unlucky today, but the good thing is we didn't lose any money. And that's the most important thing. So if not today, tomorrow is another day, and we can still make some profits tomorrow, guys. So let me explain you what happened during morning session, what happened during afternoon session, and of course, I will explain step by step how we made plan and why we didn't open the position. So let's start from the morning session. I want to show you. That was the first plan in morning, I think, yes. Maybe not the first one, but one of the plans from the morning. You can see on the screen US 500. So we were trying to use our volume indicator. And like you can see on the screen, the price break through the resistance level. We were waiting for the retest confirmation from our indicator. And we should open the position, but unfortunately the market did something else. We can check what happened on US 500 this morning. So we were waiting right here. We had area. We were waiting for the retest and we wanted to enter the position. Unfortunately, the market went straight up. So we couldn't use that plan. That's okay. We are waiting for the best moment, for the best entry to make profits. So if we couldn't open the position, that's okay. Tomorrow, another day. Okay, what was the next plan? Next plan was on gold. Okay, so we were waiting for the price to get into liquidity zone, like here you can see, to get into liquidity zone, and after reaction, we should look for the entry. Stop loss under that probably low, swing low over here, and we should enter the position. Unfortunately, the market did something else. We didn't get into the liquidity zone. They just bounced from the support resistance zone right in this place, and they went straight up. So we couldn't use it. I'm going to show you this on TradingView. We focus on gold basically most of the time during afternoon session, because I had another plan, which I'm going to show you right now. You can see we were waiting for the price to enter this liquidity, liquid pool, but they just bounced from today low and they went up. So sometimes it is like this, but for us, well, it was safe option to wait for the price to get into that zone and then to look for the trade. Let me show you the other plan on gold. Okay. Another one, it was, we done this plan, we make this plan during the morning session. So I was waiting for the price to come back to imbalance, which was here right in this place. Also, that was support resistance zone a little bit higher, and we had volume level in this place. Okay, so volume level, imbalance, and support resistance zone. So I was thinking that they're gonna leave weak and we're gonna open the position. We set pending order, but because the market was moving too fast, I removed that order, and that was the great decision because we would hit stop loss. So I removed that order like maybe 5-10 minutes before the price drop lower. Let's check that on the chart and TradingView. Okay, The order should be set right in this place, but when I saw this impulse right here, the price was dropping too fast. Okay, we were looking at 1 minute time frame, so the price was dropping. Let's move to 1 minute time frame. The price was dropping too fast because we were after the news. Today we had unemployment climbs in United States. That's why the price probably was pushed up in bearish direction. So the price was dropping too fast and I removed that order. And like I said, that was a good decision because we would hit stop loss. Okay, there was a reaction in this area, but only small one. So after this, we were waiting basically for the price to break through and retest the support resistance zone, but we were trying to use order flow to enter the position and we couldn't find information which we need to enter the position from order flow. That's why I didn't open the trade. The price is moving up, but that's okay. We got another plan. I will show you that in the second. We still may have a chance to open the position after the breakout and retest of this support, of this trend line and support. Sorry, this is not support zone, of this trend line, okay? I will share with you that in the second. Okay, so that was another plan. And what else we had here? You can see on the screen position was set. It was set on the MFA platform, but like I said, I remove it a few minutes before the price dropped. Okay, that was morning. Oh, we had one more plan on British pound, but the price also, we were waiting for the price to get into liquidity zone from Asian session, and then we should look for the drop. But unfortunately, the price dropped from here. So later, it was too late to enter the position. I'm gonna show you that on TradingView also. British pound, GBP USD. You can see nice breakouts, but I was waiting for the price to get into liquidity zone. Most of the time, it's working, but sometimes it is like today. The price drop, look at this move, but without us. What can I say? Unlucky. But we got another plan on GBP USD a little bit lower, and I will explain you that now because we just finished our afternoon session and we made few different plans. So we're gonna start from, what is it? Euro USD. On Euro USD, you can see we can set pending order basically because we got some imbalance right here. It's quite old, but it should work. So we're gonna set order around 50% of this imbalance. Also, I'm waiting for the price to get into liquidity zone to grab the liquidity reaction at 50% of imbalance. Risk to reward 1 to 3. So I'm gonna risk 1% of half percent, probably half percent, because this is quite big account. So my risk is gonna be $5,000, and I will try to get $15,000 on this trade. But I still need to wait for the price to drop a little bit lower. I'm gonna show you that on TradingView also. Euro USD. Let's go to higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, so you can see what I mean. I'm talking about this imbalance right here. We got 50% around this area, and that's the place where I want to set the order. We will see. We still got few pips to the bottom of rotation channel, so let them go down. I'm not trying to buy now. This is the area where I want to buy Euro USD. Stop loss for 10 pips, take profit for 30 pips, risk to reward 1 to 3. So we still have a chance today to make some profits. I know the session is finished, but sometimes when we have a plan, we can open the positions after the session. We can still make profits. That's why we are making plans, okay? Next one, let's have a look. Euro USD, that was Euro USD. Next one is Crude oil. I'm talking about price action cycle. In price action cycle, we are looking at current day. So we can see on the screen that 3 legs are done. The first leg right here. The second leg is done. Right here, we can see measure move second leg is done. The price is moving in rotation channel. They grabbed some liquidity also from previous lows. And we still might have a chance if the price will get into the pullback zone. I will look for bearish micro rotation, a pullback, a signal candle, and I will try to open the trade to get to the third leg measure move. We can still use that plan. We can check trading view and see what's going on now on crude oil. What are they doing? Okay, we enter the pullback zone, but basically they still can go down. We entered the pullback zone, but here we got bullish rotation. So first we need to wait for a confirmation of bullish rotation, then I will look for the trade. Okay, so we still might have a chance on crude oil. And what else we got here? Crude oil. That was the plan from afternoon session and morning session, basically. So I've set this order, pending order, but like you can see, the price went up, so we couldn't use that. And also we got one more plan for gold. The plan is to break through this trend line, and we're gonna try to get to all-time high, maybe a few pips lower, but we need to wait for the breakout retest, and then we're gonna try to enter the position. So let's have a look at gold. I'm still not giving up on gold because we spent a lot of time during afternoon session. We had few different plans. We were trying to use footprints. We were trying to use liquidity zone. We were trying to use imbalances, but the market was a little bit tricky. Sometimes it is like this. This may be because of the news. We had some unemployment climbs. If we look at those news, US index dollar should get stronger, and we can see that on the charts. If we're gonna look at US index, we can see after the news, strong impulse to go down. Let's have a look. 345, basically from here. So here we had news, and you can see the market went up. That's okay. So we should expect gold to go down, but sometimes, before, like few years ago, maybe yes, gold was correlated with US dollar index, but now gold is living its own life. Okay, so even if the index is getting stronger, gold also can get stronger. I know this is XAU USD, so gold to US dollar. So if dollar is getting stronger, gold should go down, but not this time. Not this time. It's not correlated. Like I said, gold is living its own life. So that's probably because of the news. So we had few plans. We're trying to open the position. But guys, remember, you don't need to open position every single day. We are looking for the best moments, for the best plans, for the best entry, because we are working on big accounts and we want to make big profits. But the most important thing is to protect capital, okay? We don't want to get losses. So even if we're gonna open 2, 3 positions, 4 positions in 1 week, it's great. If it's gonna be the best trade on Monday, one trade, best trade on Wednesday, guys, we can make $30,000, $40,000, even $50,000 using 3 different setups, 3 plans, 3 trades. We don't need 100 trades. We are looking for the best position. So today, unfortunately, no trade, but guys, tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is Friday. So hopefully we're going to find some great opportunities in the morning, and we're going to use them to make nice profits before the weekend. Okay, I'm going to show you also I'm going to show you my trading journal. This trading journal, you can see we got trading plans from all week. Look how many plans I did during live trading sessions. We can review all those plans by one click. We can see each plan and also how it works. And we can go into statistics, because this week I've opened 3 different positions. You can see win ratio 66.7% because I opened 3 positions. And we hit stop loss. I hit stop loss, sorry, because Pablo had profits. Pablo also had a nice profit yesterday of a little bit more than $9,000. So here I hit stop loss, but profit on GBP USD and Euro USD. So we are a little bit in profit, $155. I know it's not much, but don't worry. The week didn't finish, so hopefully today I will be able to use one of our plans, or tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure we can still make very nice profits, and hopefully that will happen. Back to overview, statistics and results, all accounts. We can see also which strategy is working the best. At this moment, ALLin ASAP strategy gave me $5,600 and price action cycle minus $5,400. That is fine, guys. Tomorrow, another day. Today, the day didn't finish, so we know what to do. We got some plans, and let's make some profits. Okay. Tomorrow morning, I would like to invite you to our morning, ALLin morning program, 7:30 a.m. And also 9 a.m. We're going to have our live trading session. And later on, 2 p.m., another session, live trading session. So hopefully we're going to make good profits by the end of the week. So guys, thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed our live trading sessions, and I will see you tomorrow in the morning. So take care and good luck.